Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Una sa lahat, nais ko pong batiin ang ating masipag at supportive na school administrator, Attorney Sid Cherish P. Non-Dison MM Reyer Reb, sa ating butihing Board of Directors, sa ating mga dedikadong faculty and staff, at higit sa lahat sa ating mga minamahal na estudyante ng Cornecia Foundation College Incorporated. Magandang araw at Happy Valentine's Day sa inyong lahat. Today, we celebrate not just romantic love, but all forms of love. Love for family, love for friends, love for our dreams, and most especially, love for ourselves. Alam nyo, madalas kapag Valentine's Day, ang unang pumapasok sa isip natin ay, sino ang kadate ko? O may flowers ba ako? Pero mga estudyante, tandaan ninyo, love is not just about having someone. Love is also about becoming someone. Kung maghihintay ka lang naman, sulitin mo na. Wait the right time, wait the right person. Pero habang naghihintay ka, build yourself, improve yourself, love yourself. Hindi minamadali ang mga bagay na may halaga. Just like your dreams, just like your future, just like the right person God is preparing for you. Maybe ngayon single ka. Maybe ngayon, broken ka. Maybe ngayon, inspired ka. Pero anuman ang status mo, ang pinaka-importante ay alam mo ang worth mo. Sa CFC, we believe that love is not a distraction. It is a motivation. Let love inspire you to study harder, to become kinder, to be more patient, and to grow into the best version of yourself. Remember this. The right love will not destroy your dreams. It will support them. The right person will not distract you from your goals. They will walk with you toward them. So habang nag-enjoy tayo today, the fun, the laughter, the surprises, let this celebration remind us that the greatest love story you will ever build is the one you create with your future. Happy Hearts Day, CFC. May today be filled not only with kilig, but with clarity, purpose, and inspiration. Maraming salamat po at enjoy the celebration.